Without having the QuickBooks certification, sometimes clients don't trust that you have the QuickBooks skill or not. So this video is the part of our QuickBooks playlist series, and this is our 7th video. So if you want to learn complete QuickBooks, then you can also watch our complete QuickBooks playlist series. Hello everyone, my name is Umesh Goswami and I have 15 years of experience of handling accounting projects. And from last 7 years I am working as a freelance accountant and also managing my own accounting agency. So in today's video I am going to teach you how you can get your QuickBooks certification so that client can also trust on your QuickBooks skill. Now we need to get QuickBooks certification. So for getting QuickBooks certification you need to come to QuickBooks dashboard, and here in the QuickBooks dashboard you need to go to Pro Advisor, then training. So the most important certification which you need to get, that is level 1 and level 2 certification. So how you can get those certification? You need to click on Start Learning. After clicking on Start Learning, you will see the QuickBooks Pro Advisor Academy. So all of the QuickBooks batch you will get from here. So if you want to get any certification, you need to go to Programs, and in under Program you can see there are 3 type of certification available. One is Institute Bookkeeping certification, and the second one is certification level 1, and then the third one is certification level 2, and the most important certification which you should get, that is certification level 1. So let's see what is under certification level 1. So by clicking on enroll, you will enroll in the QuickBooks level 1 certification, and under QuickBooks level 1 certification you can also see the study material available. So here you can see you have the study material about getting started, level 1 sales and customer related study material, expense and vendor study material, banking and period and study material. So if you want to study about these topics, you can learn about these topics by clicking on Start. So after clicking on Start, you can see on your screen you have the study material available. So this is the study material, QuickBooks Online Certification Level 1 Getting Started, and you can see we have some theory available. Get confident with Intuit QuickBooks Pro Advisor Academy. So the basic definition available here. So this one is related to the certification level 1, and also the platform that powers prosperity. And you can also see some question in the QuickBooks study material. So after completing QuickBooks study material, you can also go to the exam, and there are other options. If you don't want to study this study material and you want the QuickBooks certification, you can directly go to the exam by clicking on Test Out. So after clicking Test Out, you will go to the exam center. So you need to click on Take Exam, and after clicking on Take Exam, you will be redirected to the page where you can give your exam. So this is the QuickBooks exam details. So you will be asked to a total of 48 questions, which are split in 4 sections that map to the course within the certification training, and sales and customer 50 question expense. So if you are agree with all of these term and condition, you just click on I agree, then next step, and your exam related to certification will be start. So this is the first certification which you can get, and also after doing certification level 1, the next certification which you can do, that is certification level 2. So certification level 2 is we can say we can find more detailed topics there, and in QuickBooks we can say in certification level 2 there are more difficult topics available. So in certification level 2, if you want to give certification level 2, first you need to complete certification level 1. And after completing certification level 1 and certification level 2 both, and then you can go to the exam of Intuit bookkeeping certification. So also in the dashboard, you can also check the time you can devote to complete this certification. So certification level 1 is around self, if you do the self paced, then 7 hours 30 minutes you need to complete this exam. And if you want to complete the certification level 2, then you need to take around 6 hour 30 minutes. So if you want to see the content or the topics you need to cover in certification level 2, so let's see the topic. So this is our another QuickBooks account, and in this account we already completed our QuickBooks certification level 1. That's why we can see the QuickBooks certification level 2 exam. So let's see what are the topics under certification level 2. So if we see here, the in the certification level 2, the topics available: continue your journey. You can see here the topics: a topic of sale and customer related, then expense and vendor, then banking related topic, you can see, and then the year end, then the custom reporting. So these are the topics you need to cover in QuickBooks certification level 2. And also similar to level 1, you can go you can also go in to the exam directly. So if you want to go to the exam directly, you need to click on test out, and you can see here that we already cleared the exam. That's why we can't see the exam here. Otherwise we need to click on take exam, then we can go to the exam, and thereafter we can clear our certification level 2. And also in bookkeeping certification, let's see what are the topics which we needs to cover. So in QuickBooks bookkeeping certification, we need to click on continue learning, and after clicking on continue learning, we need to clear about the bookkeeping basic, then the tracking asset and sales, then tracking expense, liability and equity, and then you need to cover the topic of reconciling accounts and examining financial statement, and then the bookkeeping survey. And if you want to go directly to the exam, then you need to click on test out, then you need to click on take exam. Then you can see your exam instruction, and if you are okay with the exam instruction, then you can proceed for the exam. So this is how you can give exam with QuickBooks Online. And also after this, if you want the QuickBooks certification, then after completing the QuickBooks exam, you can download your certification through Credly. So how you can do that, let's see. So after completing the exam, you will receive a email from QuickBooks, and that email is about you have completed the QuickBooks exam. As you can see here that congratulations Ravi Singh, you earned the QuickBooks Online Certification Level 1 badge from Intuit. So click accept your badge below to claim your Intuit recognition and share your new skill with your professional network. And also if you want to accept this badge, you need to click on accept this badge, and also you can click on this link. So we need to click on accept this badge, and after clicking on accept this badge, because of we already attached this badge in Credly, so you can see your certification like this. So if you want to download this certification, you need to sign in your Credly account. So by clicking on our email ID, we are going to use our Google account to sign in our Credly account. So now we can see our certification here. And if we want to share this certification with the employer, or we want to download the certification, we just need to click on share. And after clicking on share, we need, if we want to email this certification, we need to click on email, and we need to type the recipient address. Then we can send this certification to our employer or anyone who want to see our certification. And also, if you want to download this certification, we need to click on download certificate, download PDF. And after this, we can see we have our certification is downloaded. So we can see our downloaded certification, and in the certification we can see when the certification is issued and what level of certification this is. So this is how you can get your QuickBooks certification. So now you know how you can get your QuickBooks certification. So if you found our video helpful, then you can like our video, and if you don't want to miss any video that is related to freelancing or QuickBooks, then you can also subscribe our channel. Also, if you want to speed up your freelancing journey, you can check our membership. You can find the membership link in the description. See you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep moving.